Hello, kids. Good morning. How are you? How are you doing? All right, everything okay? I'm glad to be here with you one more day. Okay. Hope you have a great weekend. We have a we have plenty of sun. It was really nice sunny days. And the good thing about it is now that we can go almost anywhere. We can go to the mountain nearby. Okay. We can do lots of things here around here. So that's good for us. We can visit grandpa and grandma. Remember, stay safe. Okay. And take care of your family members always. Okay. And here today, look at this. Taller Intercultural. We're going to start with Unit 12. Finally, I know you want this to be over, but remember, it's fun and you're learning, and that's good. That's really good for you guys. Okay. Now, look at this one here. It's nice because it's on holiday. That's what you want in about 23, 24 days. You'll be on holiday. All right. So, all right, let's see. Look, we're gonna talk about mountain, beach, sun, sea, shell, sand. These are all the things you're going to find at the beach, and these are the things you're going to find in the mountain. Okay, here's the mountains, trees, okay, valleys. Oh, beautiful. So, where you want to go to? The mountain or the beach? You decide. Just say, Mom, this year I want to go to the mountain and to the beach. Yeah, you can go both places. Trust me. Okay. Oh look, school is closed. They closed down the school. Oh my God. So everybody's leaving. They're talking to each other. Where are you gonna go? Well, I'm gonna go to the mountain. How about you? Well, I want to go to the sea with my family. That's the best way. All right. Now let's go over here. Right? Okay. And let's even though I sing really bad, you know that, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay. Now look, listen and point and sing. Okay, I'm writing a new song. I'm writing a new song. At the beach, at the beach, there she is. Susie's getting shells. She's getting lots of shells. Oops, right here. At the beach, at the beach. Simon's swimming in the sea. Simon's swimming in the sea. At the beach, right here. That's walking on the sand. That's walking on the sand. At the beach, right here. Mom's reading in the sun. Mom's reading in the sun. At the beach, at the beach. Wow, sounds cool, huh? Great. I love the beach, don't you? Now look over here. Okay, for example, do you want to go to a big city? Mom asked, where do you want to go on holiday? And she says, I want to go to the mountains. All right. Well, she decides she wants to go to the mountains. Do you want to go to the beach? I want, or I don't want to go to the beach. You decide right here. Okay. So remember, I want, or I don't want. All right. Look, here we got listen and point. All right, this is like a little song. I'm a really best singer, so I'm gonna try my best. Okay, let's see. I want a hat, and you want some trousers. She wants some potatoes, and he wants some beans. They want a sheep, and we want a goat. She wants a lorry, and he wants a boat. Well, not bad, huh? Let's try it again. I want a hat, and you want some trousers, some potatoes, and he wants some beans. They want a sheep, and we want a goat. She wants a lorry, and he wants a boat. Wow, not bad, huh? Not bad at all. All right, now look. look down and say the letter. All right. For example, look. Which melon do you want? I want the big green one. That's M right here. That's a melon, even though it looks like a watermelon, but it's a melon. Okay. Now, here we have some nice ice cream in the ice cream shop. Look at this cake. And cupcakes. I love cupcakes. Strawberry cupcakes, please. Okay. I know you like chocolate cupcakes. Here we have toys, a toy shop, and here we have some monsters. Okay. And here we got some dolls. All right. Do you want a doll? Or do you want a monster? Do you want an ice cream? Or do you want a cake? Or maybe you want a cupcake. Here we have some shoe shop. Shoes for boys and girls. Do you want some shoes? Where would you go? To the shoe shop. And now here we have some fruit over here. We have green melon, yellow melon. I think these are red apples and green apples. Which one do you want? Well, play at home and you choose, okay? Very simple. Now, let's go to the 8. Okay, this is what we're going to do, okay? Out of all these, I'm going to tell you 10 words. The ones I say, you have to check the pain, okay? Like I'm doing right now. All right? So, on those 10 words, you're going to find them here, okay? Very simple, all right? For example, let's start with tree. R-E-E, tree. Sand, sand. S-A-N-D, sand. Mountain, mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Sun, sun. S-U-N. Shell, shell. S-H-E-L-L, shell. Fish, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Flowers, flowers. F-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Animals, animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Bird, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. All right, those are the 10 words, okay? And try to find over here once you find them. They're very simple. Okay, look at here, okay? With I got hockey and holiday. B, what do I have? Put it together and you're gonna have beautiful and beach. With M, same thing. S, same thing. With the SH, write it down. Remember to use these words, okay? And R, put it together with ain and is, and you train and trees. Okay? Well, I think it's very simple. All right. As every week, I'll send you this blog, okay, so you can check them out. And, well, thank you very much. The answers of last worksheet, okay? Thank you. Hope to see you soon. I'll see you on Thursday. Enjoying right now. Enjoy and stay at home doing these things. And later on, you can find your friends. Remember, we have to keep a distance. Okay, it's 2 big steps. 1 and 2. Dear 1, 2, stay there. Hey, how you doing? All right. Salute them in English. All right. Do you want? There's many things, many ways of playing. Okay. Love you all. Mwah. Stay well. See you.